Alex played football, comma, so Maria went shopping. Basically, there are two independent clauses in the sentence. The first one is Alex played football, and the second one is Maria went shopping. Now, if we separate these two clauses, or these two sentences, we will basically have two simple sentences because these two sentences on their own can stand on their own without any problem. The meaning still come true. All right, we can still understand it. We can still understand each of these sentences. All right. Okay, so Alex played football, comma, so Maria went shopping. Again, independent clause, comma, fanboys. So in this case, so, and then followed by another independent clause, Maria went shopping. So if we combine these two clauses, two independent clauses with a coordinating conjunction or a fanboy, and before the fanboys is a comma, then we'll have a compound sentence. And last but not least is the clause will get a reward, comma, for we always behave. All right. Um, some people get confused. Why? Because for usually for them for means in Malay untuk, but basically there's another meaning for the word for. It can also means it can also mean because or since or as. All right. So the class will get a reward, comma, for we always behave. Again, two independent clauses. The clause will get a reward, the first one. Second one, we always behave. And in the middle, to combine these two independent clauses, is one of the coordinating conjunctions, one of the fanboys, which is for. And don't forget our comma before the fanboys or before the coordinating conjunction. Okay. All right. So simple. Earlier, simple, just subject plus verb, and then compound, subject plus verb, and then followed by a comma and a coordinating conjunction or fanboys, and then followed by another subject plus verb or an independent clause. All right. Okay. Let's move on to the next slide. Okay, just like earlier, so this is like the summary of the formula for if you want to construct, if you want to create a compound sentence. All right, simple plus a comma plus a coordinating conjunction or one of the fanboys plus simple. Okay, in other words, subject verb or subject predicate, comma, one of the fanboys plus subject and a predicate again. Okay, as you can see, the reason why I wrote S plus V is because I want to show you that you need to have both entities. This one. So you need to have S and V together. All right, you need to have the subject and verb together. You cannot have, like, for example, just V over here, just the verb. No. Okay. So the rule to create a compound sentence, you need to have a subject, you need to have a verb for both clauses, because remember, a compound sentence is actually two independent clauses combined with a coordinating conjunction. Because it's independent clauses, it means that you need to have a subject and a verb of its own. Right. Right. In other words, so compound sentence is independent clause followed by a comma and then coordinating conjunction or fanboys and then another independent clause. So this is basically the formula to construct, to make or to write a compound sentence. Okay, so this is another exercise for compound sentences. Let's try to do this. We'll try to do this very quickly. All right, so remember SV, comma, fanboys, SSV, independent clause, comma, fanboys, independent clause, simple, comma, fanboys, simple. All right, so identify the conjunction. So conjunction, so very easy. The conjunction will always be in the middle between the simple sentence, between the two simple sentences or the two independent clauses. So this is the first one, this is the second one. So this is this, so to prove to you that this is actually an independent clause, it must have a subject and a verb S plus V. Subject, I, verb, am going. All right. The second one, the second clause, subject, I, verb, have to buy. All right. So this proves that both clauses are independent clauses because they have their own subject and verb, and both of these clauses are combined with a coordinating conjunction or one of the fanboys, which is so. All right. Okay, to make this very quick, so conjunction. So the second one is obviously and, third one is and, the fourth one is but, the last one is or. Right. All of these sentences, if you notice, before the conjunction, you will have this punctuation, which is a comma. You need to have a comma for it to be a compound sentence. Okay?